Limited Limited is a company developing and distributing educational software and application. The idea of developing the application iDoctum SEN, meaning Special Educational Needs, came from the International Pető András Institute, a famous Hungarian organization educating children with cerebral palsy. Accordingly, teachers called conductors of children with cerebral palsy, as well as preschool and primary school children, took part in the testing process. Application development engaged a bottom-up approach, taking the needs and demands of the ultimate users into consideration. In the development phase, special attention was paid to the compatibility of the application with any digital device. It runs on PC as well as on tablets, so as to open the door for anybody to reach it in accordance with the computer device at his or her disposal, such as eye tracking, speech technology, special mouse, etc. The appropriate digital instrument can be chosen in accordance with the sort of disorder. The target group of this application involves children with injuries springing from preschool and primary school years, e.g. CP. But these educational games are excellent for the average children as well. We aimed at a universal design to bring about an application suitable for a wide range of users. The first step of the configuration of both applications is to select the language, facilitating the international English or Hungarian use of the program, while the list is likely to be extended. Voices and sounds can be switched on and off here too. The selection of hand dominance is a unique improvement among the games to be found on the market, which is of paramount importance while using the tablet. The selection of game level can be set agreeing with the age and skill level of the child. Playing is the prime activity of children, so learning is the most efficient in playful action. While developing both applications, we strove after playfulness, learning playfully and successfully. We heeded the chronology so that easy tasks should be followed by more and more difficult ones. E.g., the range of colors and the appearance of blended colors are increasing in the magic of colors, while the length of the labyrinth grows, obstacles turn up, the colors marking the steps disappear, and the operations vary by turns in the Pathfinder Junior. In the Help Rules menu, illustrations with text, sounds and pictures help users and children with different abilities to understand the rules. In this menu, parents and educators can be informed of the special methodological contents of the applications, and the access to data of contributors are also to be obtained here. After the start, a tail illustration of a jolly hedgehog roving the streets comes into sight. Children not able to read yet should listen to the tale read out by an adult, which improves their comprehension. By touching the start key, 2 dice appear. By clicking and touching, they spin simultaneously, then they stop. The labyrinth appears and the dice with dots can be seen on the proper side as well as with the operation signs among them, depending on the hand dominance required. The child realizes where the hedgehog is, in which direction to set off, and where to arrive. Hereby, casual thinking and deductive understanding is being trained. The child imperceptibly solves a mathematical question, reasons and designs a route. It marks out a route in the chart, obtaining color in the labyrinth. By this means, orientation develops, spatial directions and their names are introduced. In case of dyslexia and dyscalculia, missing the mark is frequent as a result of mistakes in the recognition of numerals, in the solution of fundamental operations, or in holding and following the course, the memory of workmanship, or reasoning. The child, however, being motivated in the game, does attempt to restart and will find the solution. His or her self-esteem, steadfastness of exercise, compliance and patience increase. The application improves, refines manipulation, visual perception and analysis, attention, figure background segmentation, the knowledge of relations, laterality, the recognition of global numbering, as well as arithmetic and logical thinking.